Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. Today I've installed another i96 Pro on this 2021 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. So if someone was to hop in with a cloned key, try to start the vehicle up, it simply won't start. So you've got to go through push sequence or either pair the customer's phone up. So to use the push sequence, ignition on, put the pin code in, hear our melody, cycle the ignition, and the vehicle will start. If the customer wants to change the code at any point, first they have to disarm the system, then press any button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cycle the ignition, we get 5 bleeps and it's ready to learn, so we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, wait for a confirmation, repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, wait for the same confirmation. There we go, so now to turn the ignition off. After 10 seconds we'll give this a try. So ignition on, new pin code, 1, 2, 3. Cycle the ignition, vehicle starts. If they ever need to take this for a service, and obviously don't want to disclose the code or give them the phone, you first need to disarm the system, then press any button 11 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the ignition, 2 bleeps, and this is now a normal vehicle, so it will start up without a pin code. They can drive it around, do what they need to do. When you get it back, just ignition on, pop your disarm code in, get your double bleep, and that's the vehicle protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.